Mario phone case. Welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to do my phone case differently. I'm going to do the front and the back separately, add the sides and sew them together. If I do it the same way as the Pokemon case, it will be affected by weaving the ends as I go, so that is why I'm doing the front and back separately. Colours needed: a background colour, or just use your white, brown, blue, yellow, peach, red and black. Using white or a different colour for your background, make a slip knot. I'm going to use a 3mm hook this time. When you've done your slip knot, chain 19. Is there anything you would like me to talk about while doing my stitches? Any questions, stories or just any random talk? Anything like that? Please let me know in the comments section. Do 1 double crochet in each stitch for 1 row, chain 1 at the end. Picture row 1. I know this graph has 21, but I'm only going to do 19 stitches this time for this tutorial as it fits my phone better. To start your picture, do 1 double crochet in 12 stitches and do half of your 13th stitch. We do half a stitch so we can change colours. Now you need your brown. You will need 2 brown bobbins for this project. Do 1.5 brown. Finish the row with your background. Because I'm using a 3mm hook, the stitches are a bit small, tight and hard to see, so I'm going to cut my stitches. Picture row 2. We are going from left to right. Do 1 double crochet in 2.5 stitches. You should land on the last white stitch so they line up. I use terms like early, over, lines up and left, e.g. too early, 1 over, 1 left. Do 2.5 brown. Now you need your blue. Do 1 double crochet in 5 stitches and do half of 6 stitch. Finish the row with your background. Picture row 3. We are going from right to left. Do half a background stitch. You should have 5 background stitches left. This is where you need your other brown bobbin. Do 1.5 brown. Grab your blue end and do 8 stitches, then do half of your 9th stitch. Do 1.5 brown. You will have 1 brown stitch left. Finish the row with your background. Picture row 4. We are going from left to right. Do 1 double crochet in 3 stitches and do half of your 4th stitch. You will go 2 over. Your brown bobbin is done here. Cut the end and weave as you go. Now you need your blue. Do 2.5 blue stitches. Now you need your yellow bobbin. Do half a yellow. Switch back to your blue. Do 4 stitches and half of your 5th stitch. Do 1.5 brown. It should line up. Finish the row with your background. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as much. It's because I've been busy and the software I use can play up, so it slows my editing down. Thank you to those who have commented, liked and subscribed to my channel. I will continue to work on new projects and would love to hear what kind of projects you would like to see. I would upload more often, but like I said, the software I use can slow things down a lot. I can keep you updated in the comments section.